There's a white powder sitting in a warehouse right now that costs less than $1 per application. It takes a yellow, dead-looking lawn and turns it dark, lush green in under 72 hours. No expensive lawn service. No $60 bag of branded fertilizer from Home Depot. No monthly True Green contract that quietly bills your credit card while your yard still looks like a hayfield in August. Just powder, water, and 10 minutes of your weekend. Professional lawn care companies charge anywhere from $150 to $400 per treatment to fix the exact same problem this powder solves for pennies. The fertilizer brands at every big box store sell you a temporary fix that starts fading within the same season. And the lawn care industry in the United States alone generates over $176 billion annually, a number that only stays that high if you stay dependent on them. This powder has been used in agricultural science and soil chemistry for well over a century. University extension programs know about it. Golf course superintendents know about it. The EPA knows about it. But the $60 bag on the shelf at Walmart doesn't mention it. The True Green sales rep at your door doesn't bring it up. The Home Depot lawn section doesn't stock it anywhere near the fertilizer aisle. That's not an accident. Welcome to the video that the lawn care industry didn't want the algorithm to surface. Stay with me all the way through, because by the end, you'll know exactly what this powder is, exactly why your lawn turns yellow in the first place, and exactly how to fix it for about the price of a vending machine coffee. Before we get to the powder, you need to understand what's actually happening when your grass goes yellow. Because most homeowners get this completely wrong, and the industry profits from that confusion every single season. Your grass is green because of one thing: chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the pigment inside every grass blade that captures sunlight and drives photosynthesis. Without it, the blade loses its green color and starts showing that familiar, pale, straw yellow look that makes your whole yard feel like an embarrassment every time you pull into the driveway. And here's where it gets interesting. Chlorophyll cannot be produced by your grass without iron. Iron is the critical micronutrient that sits at the center of the chlorophyll production process. No iron availability, no chlorophyll, no green. It's that direct. This condition has a name. Scientists and agronomists call it iron chlorosis. It's one of the most widespread lawn problems across the entire United States, particularly in the western states, the Midwest, and anywhere with alkaline or high pH soils. University of California Extension research confirmed that iron chlorosis is responsible for widespread turfgrass yellowing across alkaline western soils, a region covering tens of millions of residential lawns. The cruel irony is this: your soil probably has iron in it. Most American soils do. But when your soil pH climbs above 7, which happens naturally in many regions, and especially in lawns that get heavy alkaline tap water, the iron already in your soil becomes chemically locked. It's there, but your grass roots literally cannot absorb it. The grass starves for a mineral that's sitting right underneath it, so you water more. The yellow gets worse. You panic, drive to Home Depot, grab a $55 bag of whatever has the best packaging, spread it across your lawn, and wait. Maybe it greens up a little for a few weeks. Then it yellows again. You buy another bag. The cycle continues. The industry counts on this exact loop to keep the revenue flowing. There is a better way, and it costs almost nothing. The compound is called ferrous sulfate, also sold as iron sulfate. It is a fine, light greenish-blue powder with a simple chemical formula: iron bonded with sulfate. It has been used in agricultural science, soil management, and professional turf care for over 100 years. Golf courses across the United States, the ones where the grass looks like a carpet of dark emerald velvet, use ferrous sulfate as a core part of their iron program. And here is the number that should make you put down whatever $60 product you were planning to buy. A 1-pound bag of ferrous sulfate powder costs between $4 and $8 online. That single pound contains enough material for multiple full lawn treatments on an average-sized American yard. The cost per treatment works out to somewhere around $1 to $2. Not per month, per application. Compare that to the math the fertilizer industry doesn't print on the front of the bag. The major branded iron and lawn fertilizer products on the shelf at Lowe's and Home Depot carry profit margins that researchers have documented at 300% to 500% above raw ingredient cost. The iron boosters and green up formulas in those colorful bags contain ferrous sulfate or chelated iron as their active ingredient. The exact same core compound, surrounded by fillers, coatings, proprietary marketing language, and a price tag that has nothing to do with what's actually inside. You cannot patent ferrous sulfate. It has been in the public domain since the 1800s. You cannot create a recurring revenue model around a product that costs the customer $1 per use and actually works permanently as long as soil conditions are addressed. A product that fixes the problem for good is not a product the industry can build a quarterly earnings call around. So they don't put it front and center. They put it inside expensive branded blends and charge you for the branding. This is the part that frustrates most homeowners into giving up and just calling a lawn service. You put down fertilizer, maybe twice, maybe 3 times this season. The grass still looks pale. The yellow patches are still there. So what is really happening here? This is not complicated. You do not need special equipment. You do not need a spreader or a sprayer system or a lawn care certification. You need ferrous sulfate powder, water, and about 10 minutes. Step 1. Order ferrous sulfate powder online. Search ferrous sulfate lawn on Amazon, and you'll find it immediately. Brands like Greenway Biotech, High Yield, and Southern Ag all carry it. You're looking for a product that lists at least 20% iron content. A 1-pound bag will handle most residential lawns for multiple applications. Price is typically $5 to $9 per pound. Step 2. Check your lawn before you do anything else. Walk the yellow areas. If the yellowing shows up as light grass blades with noticeably darker green veins running through them, that is textbook iron chlorosis. That's your confirmation. You're in the right place. Step 3. Mix your solution. For a foliar spray application, which is the fastest way to see results, dissolve 1 tablespoon of ferrous sulfate powder per gallon of water. This ratio delivers iron directly to the grass blade surface, where it can be absorbed immediately, bypassing the soil pH barrier entirely. Step 4. Fill a garden sprayer with your solution and apply it evenly across your yellow areas in the early morning or evening. The solution can cause some temporary darkening on concrete or pavement, so rinse any overspray off hard surfaces with water right away. Never apply in direct midday sun. Step 5. Water the lawn lightly after application to help move any soil-applied material down toward the root zone. Within 24 to 72 hours, you will see visible color change. The grass blades will begin shifting from pale yellow toward deeper green as chlorophyll production restarts. For ongoing color maintenance, a monthly application during the active growing season is more than sufficient. Many homeowners with chronically alkaline soils do a treatment every 4 to 6 weeks from spring through fall and never see the yellow return. One important note: ferrous sulfate will temporarily lower your soil pH, which is actually a bonus if your soil is running alkaline. But if you have naturally acidic soil below pH 6, use chelated iron instead, which works without further acidifying the soil. If you're unsure of your soil pH, a basic soil test kit from any garden center costs about $15 and takes 10 minutes. This is not complicated. You need ferrous sulfate powder, water, and about 10 minutes to restore your lawn. Step 1. Order ferrous sulfate powder online. Look for at least 20% iron content. A 1-pound bag handles most lawns. Step 2. Check your lawn. Yellow grass with dark green veins is textbook iron chlorosis. That is your confirmation. Step 3. Mix your solution. Dissolve 1 tablespoon per gallon of water for a fast-acting foliar spray. Step 4. Apply the solution evenly across yellow areas in the early morning or evening. Avoid direct midday sun. Within 24 to 72 hours, you will see a visible color change as chlorophyll production restarts. That is exactly how you restore your lawn. For acidic soils, use chelated iron instead. Happy gardening! Step 4. Fill a garden sprayer with your solution and apply it evenly across your yellow areas in the early morning or evening. Never apply in direct midday sun. The solution can cause some temporary darkening on concrete or pavement, so rinse any overspray off hard surfaces with water right away. Step 5. Water the lawn lightly after application to help move any soil-applied material down toward the root zone. Within 24 to 72 hours, you will see visible color change. The grass blades will begin shifting from pale yellow toward deeper green as chlorophyll production restarts. For ongoing color maintenance, a monthly application during the active growing season is more than sufficient. Many homeowners with chronically alkaline soils do a treatment every 4 to 6 weeks from spring through fall and never see the yellow return. One important note: ferrous sulfate will temporarily lower your soil pH, which is actually a bonus if your soil is running alkaline. But if you have naturally acidic soil below pH 6.0, use chelated iron instead, which works without further acidifying the soil. If you're unsure of your soil pH, a basic soil test kit from any garden center costs about $15 and takes 10 minutes. Let's run the real numbers. The average American homeowner with a yellow lawn problem spends somewhere between $150 and $600 per year on lawn care products and services trying to fix it. Fertilizer bags, lawn service visits, iron supplements buried inside overpriced branded blends. Most of them never fully solve the problem because they're treating a nitrogen issue when the real problem is iron availability. A 1-pound bag of ferrous sulfate handles the same lawn for a full season at a total cost of under $10. That math doesn't work for an industry that needs you to come back every spring. It doesn't work for the lawn service subscription model. It doesn't work for the big box store fertilizer aisle that dedicates 40 linear feet of shelf space to products that solve half your problem and create the other half. But it works perfectly for your lawn. And it works perfectly for your bank account. The pattern here is the same one that repeats across every industry where a simple, cheap, permanent solution exists for a problem someone profits from. The solution doesn't disappear. It doesn't get banned. It just quietly stops being mentioned. The shelf fills with branded alternatives. The simple answer gets buried under marketing language and premium package. Your neighbors with the yard that looks like a golf course fairway? There's a decent chance they found out about ferrous sulfate somewhere down the road. The guy on your street who always has that dark, almost unnaturally green lawn in July when everyone else is dealing with yellow patches? Ask him what he puts down. Don't be surprised by the answer. The information was never hidden in a vault. It was sitting in university extension publications, soil science research, and agricultural databases the whole time, waiting for someone to put it in plain language and put it in front of the people who actually needed it. Now you have it, use it. If this video gave you something the lawn care industry didn't want you to know, hit subscribe and share it with every homeowner you know who's still overpaying for a yellow lawn problem that costs $1 to fix. The next one drops soon.